Imagine a world where the average global temperature plummets by 5 degrees Celsius. Sounds refreshing? Well, brace yourself, because this isn't a refreshing scenario. This is a chilling reality. It's a reality where the Earth is slowly freezing, and we are in the thick of it. The causes? They are as myriad as they are complex. The primary culprit is the decrease in the amount of sunlight reaching the Earth's surface. This can result from a variety of factors, including increased cloud cover and volcanic activity, both of which can block sunlight. Another cause is the alteration of the Earth's orbit and tilt, which can affect the amount and distribution of sunlight we receive. Additionally, the melting of the polar ice caps, while it may seem counterintuitive, can also contribute to global cooling. As the ice melts, it releases cold, fresh water into the oceans. This disrupts the ocean currents that distribute heat around the globe, leading to a drop in global temperatures. So, what happens to the Earth when it starts to freeze over? Firstly, it affects our food supply. Crops fail as growing seasons become shorter and the ground becomes permanently frozen. This leads to food shortages, increased prices, and in the worst-case scenario, famine. Wildlife also suffers. Animals that rely on certain temperatures or conditions for survival struggle as their habitats change. Polar bears, for instance, are already under threat as the ice they hunt on melts. Imagine what will happen when the habitats of animals all over the world are plunged into a deep freeze. And it's not just the animals. The human cost is staggering. People lose their homes as the ground becomes unstable due to permafrost. The cold brings health issues like hypothermia and frostbite. And as resources become scarce, conflicts over what remains could lead to warfare. But there is hope. Each one of us has the power to make a difference. We can reduce our carbon footprint by making small changes to our daily lives. Switch to renewable energy sources. Use less water, recycle, compost, plant trees. These may seem like small steps, but collectively, they can have a big impact. We can also support organizations that are working to combat climate change. Donate, volunteer, spread the word. Every little bit helps. Remember, the Earth doesn't belong to us. We belong to the Earth. We have a responsibility to protect it, not just for ourselves, but for future generations. So, the next time you make a decision, think about its impact on our planet. We do not inherit the Earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. And it's time we started treating it with the respect it deserves. The Earth is freezing, and we are the only ones who can stop it. Let's not wait until it's too late. Act now, for the sake of our planet and our future.